Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Linguix, a tool that just came back to AppSumo and they have more than 100 reviews, and it's a Grammarly alternative. It's the first Grammarly alternative on AppSumo. They are back. It was a huge success on the first time that they came on AppSumo, and I bought it during the first deal. And the tool claims to write better content faster using AI-powered corrections and suggestions. So it's a grammar tool with their own editor, with their own templates that claim to help you to write better, being an alternative to Grammarly and WordPress. Linguix is an AI-powered writing assistant that checks your writing for errors and gives you grammar, style, and vocab recommendations. Let's take a look at the deal. You're going to get all their team plan updates. And if you buy one code, you get 3 team members, double 7, multiple 15, and you can go up to 10 codes where you're going to get 50 team members. So more codes, more license. You are pretty good with one code if you need only for you, and maybe you can, give to a friend the other spot. So with one code, you're gonna get 3 license, which is a pretty good deal for lifetime. So let's take a look at the tool. On Linguix as Grammarly, you can use the tool inside their own dashboard, or you can use their Chrome extension. So you'll be able to use the Chrome extension or use their editor to test the tool. To add members, it's pretty simple. Here's the button to add members. You click here, and then you send an email to them with the invitations. Also, you have a link where you can invite them. You can change your team name and your contact phone as well. On style guides, you can change some stuff. For instance, creating approved terms, banning some terms, and use some style rules. For instance, when you write euro, it will be replaced for the euro sign. You can use, for instance, for emoji as well. Tool, of course, is a grammar tool. So here is their open editor. It works like Grammarly. It's pretty, similar. Click here to create a new document. Remember that you can also use all those features with the Chrome extension, okay? On personalization, you can change your preference. You are writing in any language, your native language. You can personalize if you're using for education, business, friendly, and family, and also select your English level. Everything that you write, you can export to PDF. And the editor also has H1, H2. You can add emojis. So all base, and you can link what you're writing, what you're typing. So it has a basic editor inside the tool with some features. Let's take a look at how the grammar will be corrected. I'm gonna add a piece of the AppSumo text. As you can see here on that test, they are only asking me to change that. So let's see if they can find some errors here. Okay, so it will underline the errors in red. As you can see here, now make, they are asking to change to do. Walaxy is the name of the tool, so no errors here. You can delete it, or even save Walax as a term. Here, drop contact as well. There, it's a tool, so it's correct. You can save that term or delete it. Everything else is well written. That's just typing it in a way that's incorrect. You can see that the tool is finding the errors. Okay, so aim to stud. They will send recommendations for you. You're going to select the right one. Specific subject, in general, requirement, and conclusion. I think it's a pretty precise tool. And the difference from Grammarly is that they will not work a lot with context, and Grammarly works with context. And when they do that, they also do a lot of mistakes. And Linguix wants to be a more, neutral tool in a way that it will fix your grammar mistakes without trying to guess what you're going to write. So you're going to receive a lot of suggestions, and also they don't want to change the way that you are going to write. They want to check and fix your grammar. I think the deal is awesome for the price. You get 3 licenses with only 1 code as a lifetime deal, and they are always improving with a Chrome extension, inbuilt editor. So I think it's a no-brainer. If you like that review, please take a look at the Linguix. I just added the link in on the description, and you can also help me to keep going only clicking on the link. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.